Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 61 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. We're only in the car for a few more days until we get back home to Europe. So bear with us as we go through exercises 87 and 88. And this is still part of the group of exercises on 4 notes.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So exercises 87 and 88 are very tricky for me because they're just a little bit different. Again, what she's doing here is she is taking these exercises and in very little ways tweaking them each time with a different skip here and a different note there. And so it's keeping you flexible in your mind and keeping you flexible in your voice. So just be sure you go over these and double check, because I know for me it's a little bit like patting your head and rubbing your belly. In some of these spots, I start reverting back to the old exercise. So just stay mindful as you're doing these. Okay, and here is exercise 87. There we go. And exercise 88 is very tricky. So we're beginning on this third. Da 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 da. But then as we come da 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 da. That one always trips me up. So just double check that you're not singing a former iteration of the notes, that you are doing what's written. Okay. And here is exercise 88.